Hello everyone. Want to make your videos instantly recognizable and professional? Adding your logo in Canva is quick and easy. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, go to Create Project. If we already have a project, we simply click your project. Now, let's upload. Click Upload on the left side of the screen. From here, we can upload files. Select the video we want to use, choose the file, and upload it. Once the upload is finished, click Open Editor on the right side. To add a logo to the video, click this button and then click this logo. Please note, this feature is only available for Canva for Business or Canva Unlimited. If we have access, click this option. Alternatively, we can upload a photo and drag it directly onto the video. The logo will now appear on the video, and we can place it wherever we like. When we're done, click Share to download or export the video.